Hi guys, it's ASBYT and this is the much hyped OnePlus 7T Pro. It was launched today with, amongst other new features, its brand new battery charging system, Warp Charge 30T. I've been using the device for about a week or so, have already done a full review on the channel, but in this video, it's time to show you the battery charge comparison test I've been conducting to see how it performs versus the OnePlus 7 Pro, the OnePlus 7T, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and the Huawei P30 Pro. Some incredible phones, but which is going to come out on top? All phones are using their traditional original chargers that come in the respective retail boxes and are all plugged in first before the power is turned on. And all devices' batteries were completely flat before the test began. We have Huawei's Supercharge, we have Samsung's Fast Charge, we have Warp Charge in the OnePlus 7 Pro, Warp Charge 30T in the OnePlus 7T and the OnePlus 7T Pro, wow that's a mouthful, and Apple's fast charging on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now as we go through, I'm going to be checking the battery percentage every 10 minutes to see how quickly the device can charge to 100%. All devices have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, etc. turned off, as well as any always-on display technology if the phone has it. Now the main extraneous variable is of course the fact that all of the phones have different sized battery cells. So we've got a 4200 mAh capacity on the P30 Pro, 4100 on the S10 Plus, 4000 on the OnePlus 7 Pro, 3800 on the OnePlus 7T, 4085 on the OnePlus 7T Pro, and 3968 on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So after 10 minutes, we have 22% on the P30 Pro, 11% on the S10 Plus, so already a lead there, 23 on the OnePlus 7, so that's actually higher than the Huawei device, 24% on the 7T, higher again, and 23% on the 7T Pro. So the OnePlus 7 and the 7T Pro have the exact same percentage, and just 14% on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So straight away we have 4 front runners and 2 that are dragging their heels in the S10 Plus and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. After 20 minutes, the P30 Pro has jumped up to 47%, which is pretty impressive. 24% on the S10 Plus, 41% on the OnePlus 7, but the OnePlus 7T is on 49%. Now we would expect it to charge fairly quickly due to its slightly smaller size, but still that's very, very impressive. 46% equally impressive for the larger battery cell on the 7T Pro, and just 29% on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now we're up to 30 minutes or half an hour, and this is a time, a very key time for a lot of manufacturers. They boast about having a full day's use on half an hour's charge. So let's see exactly what we have. We've got 67% on the P30 Pro, 36 on the S10 Plus, 57 on the OnePlus 7, 73 on the OnePlus 7T, 66 on the 7T Pro, and 45 on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So not only do we have a front runner in the 7T, we also have a really good day's battery life in the P30 Pro and the OnePlus 7T Pro, which, a little bit surprisingly for me, has jumped to 9% higher than the standard OnePlus 7. OnePlus do mention how their battery systems do actually offer up less resistance when charging to allow for a quicker charge, and it seems to be working pretty well here. And also the iPhone 11 Pro Max is jumping a fair way now ahead of the S10 Plus out of the bottom 2. So now we're on to 40 minutes and the P30 Pro is heading in on 100%. We've got 83% on there now, 49% on the S10 Plus, 73% on the OnePlus 7, 91% on the 7T, 82% on the 7T Pro, and 58% on the iPhone. Next we jump up to 50 minutes, and this is where we are very, very close to at least one of these capping 100%. So 92 on the P30 Pro, 60 on the S10 Plus, 83 on the OnePlus 7, 98% on the 7T, 90% on the 7T Pro, and 69% on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we are just 2% away from 100 on the OnePlus 7T, which surely now will be taking gold medal. And lo and behold, just 2 minutes and 49 seconds later, the OnePlus 7T goes to 100% and takes gold medal, the winner of the battery charge test. But the question is, where will the others place? And it's getting very tight at the top now as we tick over the hour mark. We've got 97% on the P30 Pro, 72 on the S10 Plus, 90 on the OnePlus 7, 94 on the 7T Pro, and 77 on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So it looks like the Huawei P30 Pro is going to take second place. But just when we thought that, the P30 Pro began to flag, going up just 1% a time from 97 to 98 to 99 in quite a long time. And this allowed the 7T Pro to jump to 99% as well. So we've got 99 across the board. Which one is going to jump over and take the silver medal? And the answer came in an emphatic turnaround from the OnePlus 7T Pro, taking 100% after 1 hour, 5 minutes and 23 seconds. And it took a further 3 minutes for the P30 Pro to tick over that 100% mark. So a real flag in the final 5% from the P30 Pro. I'm sure if I repeated the test, we possibly may see the P30 Pro tick over first, but they will both be very, very similar in their charge times. And now we're on 120 minutes. Who is going to take the bronze medal? We've got 89% for the S10 Plus, 98% for the standard OnePlus 7. So that is looking like it is going to possibly nail on that third spot, and 89% on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So actually, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus has made a remarkable comeback on the Apple phone as well. A very consistent charge from the S10 Plus right the way through, whereas the iPhone is now flagging like the P30 Pro did. So 3 phones remaining. Who's going to take the bronze medal? Well, emphatically, the OnePlus 7 takes it with 1 hour, 25 minutes and 29 seconds, leaving the S10 Plus on 92 and the iPhone 11 Pro Max on 91. So the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus has actually now overtaken the iPhone. And to be honest, as this video has taken a rather long time to make, and the fact that my wife is due to give birth any time now, I decided to stop the test. So the S10 Plus and the iPhone 11 Pro Max were pretty much neck and neck. Looking at the pattern of charge, my money would have been on the S10 Plus to finish 4th. But like I said, they both probably would have finished roughly around the same sort of time. Let me know in the comment section below whether charging speed is a big important factor for you, and has this test helped you make a decision? And as always, these videos do tend to take quite a long time to make, so if you did enjoy it and found it helpful, if you can drop a like below and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Breaking tech news, unboxings, reviews. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. ASBYT, peace out.
Drop down, smoking high, I am not round. I'm not round, no denying what I got now. Keep an eye out, keep it